In this class, we discuss about the paste spatial in the advanced Excel. What is the
Hmm.
paste spatial? You can copy
Hmm.
data and paste anywhere like same. Okay?
Hmm.
But paste
Okay.
spacer give the features you have paste
Hmm.
according your requirement. That means you have paste some part of your copied data. Just like
Hmm.
I want to paste only for formula. So select your formula
Hmm.
and paste
Hmm.
OK. Then you have check
Hmm.
only for formula will be paste here. Now some people
Hmm.
ask me why paste the puja because puja have not a formula because paste as a
Hmm.
formula not paste only formula paste the value of formula bar which
Hmm.
value have formula bar if have normal text paste the text if have formula paste the formula
Hmm.
but not
Hmm.
paste any type of the formatting anything just like border
Hmm.
color like that. Once
Hmm.
again repeat you just right copy and right click where you want to paste the paste is spatial in the paste is spatial we
Hmm.
have select the formula.
Okay.
Now we discuss about the value. Sometimes
Hmm.
formula is not required because I have applied a ran between formula. Ran between
Hmm.
formula give the random number. When you double click and
Hmm.
paste enter, give the random number here. Random number.
Hmm. Hmm.
So every time number will change. So I want to paste as a value, not
Hmm.
a formatting, not a formula. So first select my
Hmm.
data, copy and select here, right click, paste spatial. In the paste
Hmm.
spatial, we have select the value and paste the
Hmm.
OK. You can check here,
Hmm.
no have any formatting copied, just like border color, I think, and no
Hmm.
have any formula paste here.
Hmm.
And you can also remove the formula. So here is the
Hmm.
data, my data. So we have copy and paste as a value another location, then remove the formula and paste. But I want to remove the formula same location. I don't want to copy and to another location as a value.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I want to just remove the formula from here. So copy and paste as a spatial
Hmm.
on same location. You have not changed any location. Copy and paste spatial on same location. Select the
Hmm.
value and paste here. You can see
Hmm.
your formula will be removed, replaced.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you want to paste as a formatting. You can also paste as a formatting. Select the data and copy and go to the location, paste spatial and select the
Hmm.
format. So paste only
Formal.
for format. Paste only for
Hmm.
format.
Formal. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now paste as a comment. Sometimes
Hmm.
we have give the comment on the data. Okay.
Hmm.
Just like
Okay.
marks, here marks. So how can I insert
Hmm.
the comment? So here right click and
Hmm.
new comment. Click on the
Hmm.
new comment.
New cup.
Enter the
Hmm.
comment here.
Hmm.
We have changed. I think my language changed to Hindi.
Hmm.
This is final marks.
Hmm.
Right? Now
Hmm.
select here, copy
Hmm.
and select anywhere. Right click, paste
Hmm.
spatial, and in the
Hmm.
paste spatial, you have select
Hmm.
paste as a comments and notes.
Thanks. Hmm.
Only for
Okay.
comments and notes will be placed. Okay. Sometime in the
Okay.
report, we have increase and decrease my column size. Okay, according the data.
Hmm.
When we
Hmm.
creating the reports and the reports, we have decrease and increase the column size for exact view my reports.
Hmm.
But If you
Mm.
copy this report and paste anywhere, your column
Mm.
width is never pasted.
Mm.
So I want to paste the column width also because I not want to change the column width the manually one by one. Okay. So
Mm.
right
Okay,
click,
sir.
paste spatial, and any problem in the PC. Paste spatial. We have select the
Mm.
column width. Column width.
Mm.
So you can
Mix.
see here
Mm.
column width will be pasted.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Right click, paste spatial, column width. Then you can also
Mm.
know about the column width is not paste the data. Paste only for column width.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I have date in the data. My data have a
Mm.
dates, and when you copy
Mm.
my date and paste as a value in any locations, paste
Mm.
the value. So paste this like a number. The first know about
Mm.
what is the number. When you
Mm.
enter the date, it's like today is the 14th July. So we have
Mm.
write the 14th July and press the enter. So system is
Mm.
not stored as a 14th July. System is
Mm.
stored as a number 45121.
Mm.
And this number is the total number of days from the starting of computer calendar to enter date.
Mm.
What is the computer calendar? First, computer calendar start from 1st Jan 1900. In the Excel,
Ah.
1 it means one day. It means 1st Jan 1900. When you have applied the
Mm.
date format here, you can see 1st Jan
Mm.
1900. I have typed here
Mm.
22 days. It means 1st February.
Mm.
I also typed the 367. So first 901. So when you have typed
Mm.
45121 total number of days, so number will be stored as
Mm.
date. Okay. So
Okay.
date actually not a date. Date is the visualize the
Ah.
date, but originally the number of days. Okay.
Mm.
But
Mm.
why
Okay, sir.
do the programmer why do this? Why make like this? Please make the
Mm.
simple for calculation. In the Excel, you have type the number with text. You can't do any calculation with text. But if you have show the date is the 14th July 2023, and I want to add the
Mm.
10 day, so we have plus 10 and
Mm.
we got the result 24th July. But how can?
Mm.
Because here is the decimal, here is the text is not calculate, but here is calculate because here is the form so it still just visualize 14 July 2023, but actually the number 1 to 1, 45 1 to 1, and calculate
Mm.
the 45 to 1 to 1, give the result 45131. Okay.
Mm.
So when you have
Okay, sir.
applied the date format, apply
Mm.
the date format, so system
Mm.
change the month after 31 days, change the year after the 365 days, and show the
Mm.
number 2 as a date.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
now problem ki when you have paste as a value, remove the all formats, a date also the format. So paste as a number. So when you have used the
Mm.
paste as a value and you want to
Mm.
keep the date, time and number format, then you have
Mm.
select the value as a number format and also formula as a number format. Press the OK.
Mm.
You can see all
Okay.
formula will be removed, but your date
Mm.
format stays as it is.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now paste as a calculation.
Mm.
So I have write the some number here.
Mm.
Okay. And this is the total
Okay.
sales. This is the total
Mm.
sales. But
That's
problem is
nice.
that in my
Mm.
My HOD say कि I don't want to know how many quantity Pooja sold at day one. You have give the
Hmm.
information how many percentage achieve the how many target achieve the how many percentage target achieve the day one day two day three. So I want to
Hmm.
divide the every number to target. Target is 70. So
Hmm.
just copy the 70 and select out our data, right click, paste
Hmm.
is spatial, and we have
Hmm.
paste divide.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.
Okay, and okay.
Okay.
You can see here.
Okay.
And apply the percentage, you got the percentage.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. You can also
Okay, sir.
you can also do the percentage one cell to another cells,
Hmm.
many to many, one to
Hmm.
one, and also many to many. Okay.
Hmm.
And I have this
Okay.
number, and we have this number from the one formula. I don't want to replace my formula, but also divide by this number. Puja
Hmm.
32 divided by Puja, 79 divided by 46, 38, 24, like that sequentially. So we have
Hmm.
select the all of data, right click,
Hmm.
paste spatial, and we have
Hmm.
select the divide and all.
Hmm. Okay.
So every number we divide, and you can see here my formula also not removed.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any problem? And now
No
paste
problem.
as a skip
Hmm.
line. Paste as
Hmm.
a skip line. Sometime we got the another information here.
Hmm.
I want to replace it. So I want to replace 65 to 85, 74 to 65, but one by one copy is not possible.
Hmm.
But how can do this? So select here, copy and paste over. Paste is spatial
Hmm.
and paste is spatial. We have select the skip blind
Yeah.
and all.
Hmm.
You can see skip the blind.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now is the last options. Paste as a transpose. Paste as a
Hmm.
transpose.
Transfer.
So this is the data of vertical to horizontal. I want to paste horizontal to vertical. So select
Hmm.
here, right click, paste spatial and select the transpose. Transpose, paste the horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal.
Hmm.
Now also you have paste as a this link.
Hmm.
Same sheet, another sheet, another file. So select the data and select some part of my data, not complete data, but some part of the data. And we have
Yeah.
copy. And we want to
Hmm.
paste, select here, paste spatial and select the paste as a link. So this data link with original data. When you change this, I have changed the 26 here, 60 to 26. Press the enter. You can see here 26 will be updated here.
Hmm.
Okay. And now
Okay.
the last topic, the paste as a picture and picture link.
Hmm.
Okay. So we have select this
Okay.
data and copy. And now we
Hmm.
have go to the paste spacer, this part of small
Hmm.
LP, and there is the paste
Hmm.
the picture. Here your data,
mm,
like a paste as like a picture, you have resize your pictures and also rotate and anywhere move your
mm,
picture, but
mm,
not linked with your data. Okay, when you
mm.
change your data,
Okay.
here is not update. But I want to
Mm,
paste as a
mm,
picture link. So we have
mm,
also select the last option, the picture link.
mm,
Picture link, your
mm,
link with your picture. When you have changed your picture, the original data, picture will be changed. It's like we have changed the 3350, press the enter, you can see 350 will be appeared here. Same
mm,
file, another sheet. Immediately you have paste. Okay.
mm. Okay.
So I have saved this file. You have practiced
Mm,
this, and tomorrow we discuss
mm,
the format. Okay.
mm. Okay.